Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Sync Google Drive on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on manage accounts. In here, we scroll down and tap on the Google account. Then tap on Sync account. Now go down here and tap on Drive. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Drive syncing. Now as soon as you turn on, it will attempt to sync data from your drive, from your Google Drive to the Google Cloud. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.